Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove the door grip on Alfa Romeo GT and 147 in case you wanna restore it all the way, paint it or even wrap it with leather. Also, if you wanna check out the full video on the door panel removal, I'm gonna put a link in the description below. Alright, the trickiest part is to remove this metal ring which holds the door grip in place. So I'm gonna use my flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna spread these pins a little bit, and I'm also gonna use the same screwdriver to spin it off the door handle. Alright, here it is. That honestly wasn't easy to remove, but I got it off. The bottom of the door grip is glued in just one small spot, and you can just pull this off. Finally, here's the easy part. Now you can just guide the door grip through both of these holes, and that is basically it. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of Alfa Romeo GT.